do all that right there.
These are pretty.
And I'll even throw in pro stock blood models, about a $40 card. And you can have this too. For one.
These are very pretty.
You can have that too.
So how many are there?
That's a great deal. You're getting the best end of that deal.
And you can still have the cereal.
How pretty these are.
Never. You're not supposed to open that. You're not supposed to open that.
How you doing?
Hey, good. How are you? How much is this stuff?
Whatever's fair.
Oh,
I mean, that stuff I'll give you a
that's
deal on.
cool.
The pottery's a little more expensive. I'll give you that for
Yeah.
like $5, all of them.
Cool.
Pottery's a little bit more. The Spanish stuff is a little more
Right,
expensive.
from Portugal. They're
But I
very
could,
pretty.
if you wanted all of it, I could do it for $35. It's
Yeah, I
way
don't really
cheap.
want it all, but it's
Well,
very
take
pretty.
a few pieces if you want.
I like the bowls. I'll have to make a little pile somewhere.
Yeah, just make a pile. I'll take care of you.
Can I make it right here?
Yeah, of course.
All
The
right.
table's not too sturdy.
Oh.
It shakes back and forth.
Oh, okay. I'll move them. Thank you so much. There's only 5, right? Kadoke. I'm gonna go inside the house.
Hi.
Good, how are you?
Good.
Took a second to register.
Where's my stones?
Yeah, I can. Hi.
How are ya?
Good, how are you?
Good, thanks. I thought this with you guys.
I'm looking like, yes, you were. You were in the
Yes,
basement.
a long time ago.
Yeah. Anything in particular you're looking for?
Oh, I just know when I see it. Now that you've moved stuff around, maybe I'll see more. Because we were in the basement. I remember going through boxes.
Oh, wow.
And they're more in the house? Or no? Just out here?
Just out here.
Okay.
For now.
Okie doke. Oh, these are all mugs. Okay. Dale Earnhardt mugs. A jewelry box. Broken. That's cute. That's cute. It's cute, but it's broke. Bunch of broken stuff. Nope. Alright. Thought there was more than this. That's a cool lamp. Look at that. Huh.
Just make a pile of stuff. All that stuff he's taking.
Yeah, no, I was.
Bring that right over there. Let me carry it over there.
I thought you would have had more.
No, I got way more. I do.
I know. You
gotta
just
let me
didn't
get
bring
it
it out, right?
Probably so old.
Candle. Mosaic. Little Avon bottle.
He said I'm not going to hurt the cereal. I I know.
Yeah, I don't really see much down there. Okay. Alright. I like these bowls though. There's up here.
Yeah, I do like all those colorful ones.
Right? Aren't they so pretty? Hmm. Albums, cassettes. New box.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
They're not in great shape. Yeah. Not even gonna bother. Ooh, there you go. Yeah, they're not in. We got ABBA. Oh God. Yeah.
Okay, he said 20 a set. How about 20?
I told my wife, I'm taking that.
For how much?
For $3.
Who said that?
I know it yet.
Yeah, no. I know.
You know, I've done a private pick here,
No, I got no.
like a long time ago.
Never can buy anything.
No, he's tough. I love that lamp.
I know the literally just what I was coming to look at.
Right? I don't know what it is.
I did tell her about
It's gorgeous.
Yo.
It's really nice.
You know, for $10.
I know. I know, you gotta be careful.
You know what my problem is though?
Wow.
I have probably 500 lamps.
Yeah.
I've got like 20 of them in my basement.
Looking at that, it was gorgeous. 10 is not bad.
I don't have a rag to wipe it off.
Right.
All right.
Here.
Have a good one.
Little spit shine.
I know. I saw those and I was waiting for you to miss them.
Well, look, you got something I was looking at. And I got
can have
something
it if
you.
you want it.
No, it's fine.
Plus, it's like $40.
Well, we'll see. We shall see.
All right. Take care. Thank
That
you.
is-
All right. The boss will be by later. Thank you very much.
Hey, you don't see it. That's why you do it.
Gotta say it again.
Uh-huh.
He did. No, I'm going to tell you. He did. He really did. Thank you.
Good for you for looking. I know. Exactly. Daniels, huh? This is all he has out.
This is it?
This is it.
Oh.
We got a little. The what? Hang on, I gotta go put this stuff over there. Is he wood? I'm not. Okay. I can carry this. All right. All right.
Best deals ever.
He's kind of fun. This is fun.
No, I don't know anything about it.
Isn't he fun?
It says best deals down at the bottom.
There.
Right.
Anthony's in it. Okay.
Brian. Is that
It's
yours?
in my little pile. Not the lamps.
The nutcrackers?
Yeah. It's cute.
Oh, yours was
His
broken.
ear's broken. I'm really surprised this is all he brought out. Surprised this is it. He has so much more than this.
Yeah, yeah. Pictures, he had a lot more.
Yeah. Huh.
Maybe he's
Those are real pretty.
maybe he's thinking it's gonna rain or
What's
something.
this?
These are Dansk.
Are they? Nice.
Yeah.
Those are pretty.
Oh, here's Dansk bowls. Even
See
better.
you? See? I left you something. I left. There's nothing. That's it. That's it. Yep. What's that?
I know that board thing's gonna be expensive, but too bad it's an amazing piece.
I don't know what that is.
Bitch to ship though. What?
That. What is that?
Some kind of look. It's a skull and a. Oh, it's an alien.
Cool, cool.
Go for these.
This is cool.
Just a bunch of crap.
There's another one.
They're both cool.
And another one. Okay. We'll see what we got. Yeah. Huh. Bobblehead. That is very cute. I didn't know we had boxes over here.
Got marble eyes.
That is adorable.
Which one?
Huh.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're not going to want that for $1. How do you even find that? That's not supposed to be out here. You know how much that, you know how much
It's in that box.
you know how much those marbles are?
I got a whole shit ton of these.
Billy, tell her about marbles.
I got a whole
She
bunch.
already knows.
I got a bunch of them at
Tell
home.
me about the marbles.
The cat eye ones.
They don't excite me, marbles. They're too small.
Can I have some? You have some?
Yeah.
Bring them over. I'll buy them today.
Yeah.
Give them to me. 'Cause I like them. Come
I
outside.
don't know.
I'll tell you that.
Is it because of the cost of the marble?
Very rare. Look it up on your phone if you want.
What's it say? Helen something.
Billy, tell her. Come on. Don't stand in your fingers in
Helen
your
something
pocket.
got. GOP.
These
How
two-
much is your
She
wallet?
knows.
She
I ain't
works
got
for you.
time on.
She already knows.
Yeah, these are all the Hamburglar. Yeah.
That's where it came from outside. It came outside of a pump. I'll never get it. I don't care if you want it. I had a video. Give me $100.
Yeah, nope.
$100 right now. It's yours. Don't think twice. It's a steal.
I know, but
$100. And you can have the cat's eye with the guy with the marble eyes.
Duke of Wellington.
Take that in the picture.
All right, I think my pile's
You
done.
got your pile. You're always good. So you get them almost for nothing. Where's your pile?
Not the lamps, but everything on the table.
This is all your stuff?
Yeah.
Oh my God, you're gonna kill me. These are expensive.
Oh, I don't know. They're made in China.
What do you think's a fair price? The rest of the stuff I could care less about. What do you think's a fair price for these? Be honest.
Let's do a pile deal.
All right, but what do you think these are?
I have no
And
idea. I
the only-
didn't look
the
anything
only
up.
The only two things that are really good in this pile. Oh, this too. Yeah, this is.
I don't need that. I
All
mean,
right.
I don't absolutely have to have that.
All right. Yeah, this we can't do.
It's
this.
missing a bottle,
I know,
so.
but this one's.
Yep, that's fine.
Let's take this one out. I told you $1 for those, which I'll do. I'll give you the watch for the $1. There's 6. Hand carved. I'll give you
I
that
just
for
like
$1.
that.
That's 7.
Bunch of pins.
Yeah, I'll give you the pins for $1. All of them. That's 8. Ah, man, you pick these up, huh? I need $5 for these a piece. That's 10. That's 18.
No.
You don't want
I
those?
might put-
I'm
I
giving
might
you those
put 'em
stuff for
back.
nothing. What do you mean you're gonna put them back?
I don't know.
What did I say? 8? 16. Oh, this. Hold on. 16. I don't care about that. Let me just check this thing real quick, all right?
Yeah, it's fine.
And then I'll give you a deal on all of them.
All right.
I'll give you a deal.
What was that? 16, 17.
Thinking like 25 for everything.
Yep. That's what I did.
You know, I'm pretty good about numbers.
So 25. No, that's good because they're only $1, right? 1, 2, 3, 4,
Well,
5,
I
6,
think he was
7.
charging me $1. I don't know. Was he charging me $1 for the glasses?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think he let you have these for $1 too.
No, he said.
Well,
he said
he was
5
wrong
a
then.
piece.
He was wrong because look at 1, 2, 3, 4,
Well,
5,
he's
6,
count.
7.
Okay.
The pins are 8, 9, 10.
So he's counting these as $1 then.
Yep. 10, 12, 16. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
It's
it
like
gives you
25,
these 12
16,
pieces.
$25.
These are you picked these out of the collection you just got yesterday. These are really
I
expensive.
just thought they were real pretty. I didn't look anything up.
Yeah, these are expensive. These are what's killing them right now. These two.
Really?
Because there's a whole set.
Well, he's only got a couple pieces
Yeah.
out.
The bowls, bigger bowls.
I didn't see anything else out. So, and here's a cover. I don't know where that goes to. It's only. Oh, well, let's figure this out. No, okay, all right. Well, why don't I do this? Why don't
Yeah, but I can't do this.
Cash?
Not
Let's
these.
sit
That is so
$100 for
nice.
that.
But she's actually giving
This
I
is
like
what?
Yeah, but I can't do this.
Cash.
Not
Let's
these.
sit
That is
$100
so
for
nice.
that.
But she's actually giving
This
I
is
like
worth,
that.
This is worth about the same
Yeah, that's
price.
fine.
$100.
Yeah, that's good.
It should have been 48.
Sign.
So we'll just call it 50?
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm good with that.
All right.
You Venmoing me again?
No, I'm just
Oh, you
gonna
got
give you
Venmo.
cash.
All right. Yeah, you know I have Venmo.
You got a
Venmo?
little box for?
Dude, I don't remember shit.
Come on.
Yeah, empty that stuff out. Because all my stuff.
So when I
in there
realized I
anyway.
didn't have the bookends, I sent the seller a message and he told me to come back the next day. He was
Yeah.
unaware that it was part of my deal. So I came back the next day and I was triple teamed. And
All right, I'm gonna go
they
get
were
some
very
cash.
aggressive and not happy with me, trying to tell me that I was taking advantage of them and their kindness. And I said, no, I paid for them and they're not here. I knew at that point there was no more talking because they were getting really angry, very aggressive, and I thought, you know what, I need to leave. So I just said, thanks for wasting my time, and I left. So that being the case, if we took the original deal of $25 minus the $10 for the 2 bowls, that leaves $15 plus the
I started
$35
going over the numbers again.
for all 3 of them telling me no, they were not part of the deal. And I'm like, well, what did I pay for?